Multiplying polynomials is like taking turns using distributive property. In this example, we will multiply a binomial times a trinomial. We will multiply x times everything in the trinomial, and then we're going to multiply 5 times everything in the trinomial. In the end, we will collect like terms. Watch this example to see how it works. We're going to multiply this binomial times this trinomial, starting with the x, okay? X times x squared is x to the third power. Then x times negative 3x is negative 3x squared. Then x times negative 2 is negative 2x. Okay, now we're going to focus on the 5, okay? 5 times x squared is 5x squared. 5 times negative 3x is negative 15x. And then 5 times negative 2 is negative 10. Okay, now we want to find some like terms. First, I'm going to look at anything that's an x cubed. I don't see any other x cubed, so x cubed is going to be by itself. Next, I want to find some x squared. I see I have two terms that are x squared, a negative 3x squared and a positive 5x squared, and together they combine to a positive 2x squared. Now I want to see if there are any like terms with just an x. There's negative 2x and negative 15x, and together they combine to negative 17x. Finally, is there anything that combine with the 10, any other just plain number with no variable, no exponent? And no, 10 is by itself, so we put negative 10 there. And now this polynomial is multiplied and simplified, so there's my final answer.